Upgrading your home's windows is one of the smartest investments you can make, and for many Dallas homeowners, vinyl windows have become the preferred choice. With their durability, energy efficiency, low maintenance needs, and long-lasting performance, vinyl windows offer exceptional value in both the short and long term. Whether you're renovating an older home in Oak Cliff or upgrading a newer property in North Dallas, vinyl windows deliver benefits that continue paying off for years. Here's why choosing vinyl windows provides long-term value for your Dallas residents. Outstanding energy efficiency for Texas summers and beyond. With long, hot summers and sudden seasonal temperature swings, Dallas homes depend heavily on their windows to keep temperatures stable. Vinyl windows are designed to provide excellent insulation, which helps reduce energy costs and improves indoor comfort. Energy-saving advantages include multi-chambered vinyl frames that limit heat transfer, tight seals that prevent warm outdoor air from leaking inside, low-E glass coatings that reflect heat and harmful UV rays, double or triple pane options for enhanced insulation in a climate where air conditioning costs can rise quickly. Vinyl windows help reduce the strain on your HVAC system and save money year-round. Minimal maintenance for busy homeowners. One of the biggest long-term benefits of vinyl windows is their low maintenance requirements. Unlike wood, which needs periodic painting and sealing, or metal, which can rust or corrode, vinyl stays beautiful with very little effort. Vinyl windows offer fade-resistant color that won't peel or chip, frames that never need sanding or painting, material that resists warping, cracking, and swelling, easy cleaning with just soap and water. For Dallas homeowners with full schedules, vinyl windows provide long-term convenience without sacrificing appearance. Long-lasting durability against Dallas weather. Dallas weather can be unpredictable. Intense heat, occasional storms, and strong winds all test the durability of window materials. Vinyl stands up exceptionally well to these conditions. Vinyl windows are built to resist UV exposure that causes fading and deterioration, moisture, preventing rot or corrosion, temperature fluctuations that lead to warping and other materials, air leaks caused by frame movement or weather damage because they maintain their shape and structure over time. Vinyl windows often last decades with proper care. Noise reduction. For a more peaceful home, many Dallas neighborhoods are lively and active, which means outside noise can sometimes become a nuisance. Vinyl windows offer excellent sound insulation thanks to their thicker frames and multi-pane glass options. You benefit from quieter interiors, better sleep and relaxation, improved privacy, reduced noise from traffic, construction, or nearby activity. This makes vinyl windows a smart long-term investment for comfort as well as efficiency. Enhanced home value and beautiful curb appeal. Vinyl windows not only perform well, they look great, too. With a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, they enhance both the interior and exterior of your home. Home value benefits include increased buyer appeal, modernized home appearance, a more polished and cohesive exterior, excellent return on investment during resale. Because vinyl windows combine durability and style, they're one of the most attractive upgrades for potential buyers. Cost-effective investment with long-term savings. Vinyl windows are one of the most affordable window materials available, yet they offer performance comparable to, or better than, many high-end options. Combined with energy savings, reduced maintenance, and long lifespan, they provide tremendous long-term value. Their financial benefits include lower upfront cost compared to wood or fiberglass, reduced repair and maintenance expenses, fewer replacements over the life of your home, decreased monthly energy bills. For Dallas homeowners who want high performance without high costs, vinyl windows are an unbeatable choice. Final thoughts. Choosing vinyl windows for your Dallas residents is an investment that pays off year after year. With outstanding durability, superior energy efficiency, low maintenance needs, and long-lasting beauty, vinyl windows help keep your home comfortable, stylish, and cost-efficient through every season. Whether you're upgrading one room or installing windows throughout your home, vinyl remains a trusted solution for long-term value.